Hello class. Today you're going to be working on your argumentative essay. So you'll notice in Google Classroom in the classwork tab, there's a document that says argument essay outline. If you click on this and you open with Google Docs, you can make a copy of it. This is the format that your outline for your essay needs to be at. So we talked about concept mapping before. So now you're going to take your ideas and you're going to put them in a formal plan. So you'll put your thesis here, exactly what is it that you're going to argue. Your Roman numerals indicate the paragraphs. The letters and the numbers indicate like the subclaim that you're going to make, the minor argument that you're going to make, and the evidence you're going to provide. If you don't have numbers, it's fine, but you should at least have an A and a B for each one. So what are these things? Well, next to the Roman numeral, you'll put your main subclaim. So the first is your thesis. Remember, we have three main points that we're going to make under our thesis. 2 or 3. So here's one Roman numeral, the second one, and then the third of the body paragraph Roman numerals. So you put your subclaim here, and then underneath that, go ahead and put okay, what exactly about this thing are you going to say? So for this example, global warming is a gradual warming of the earth from human activities. And then next, I would need to explain it is characterized by high concentrations of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and then these are specific facts from my sources. Go ahead and put next to any specific facts that you use where the source is coming from. So you can use what we did yesterday, with the U.S. Constitution. You can use the Declaration of Independence. You can use anything that we've read so far or your own independent research, right? So by the end of today, I want a completed outline from you. You need to have at least 4 Roman numerals, an introduction and a conclusion, and then 2 body Roman numerals, or 3. And this needs to be filled out in complete sentences. Don't just write one word. Explain your thought fully, just like it is here. You'll notice in between the body paragraphs, it says transition. This is to help you think about, okay, how am I going to transition from one paragraph to the other? Try to fill these in, although maybe your research isn't done and you won't be able to. Okay? In addition to your outline, at the end of the document, I want you to cite your sources. So if you are using the U.S. Constitution, put a citation here for that. At a bare minimum, if you're not sure how to do a citation, at a bare minimum, put the URL for what you're using so that I can look at, what are they using in the research paper? Are they going to, is this a good resource? Is it not? Okay? You have the entire period to work on your argumentative essay. You must finish your outline by the end of today. And I had told you guys about this at the beginning of the week. So you must finish the plan or the outline for your paper by the end of the day today. And then we're going to start writing in the next week. So if you have any questions or anything about the outline, I will give you feedback on these in Google Classroom. But if you have something that needs answered right away, please comment on Google Classroom or send me an email would probably be better, and I'll respond to you right away, okay? Or as soon as possible. All right, guys, happy writing, happy planning. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next Sunday.